hydraulic hose crimping machine FX95. FX95 is belonging to Shanghai Fender crimping machine manufacturer's FX series. This series is mixing inclined planes and double-speed hydraulic enforcing system. FX95's opening without die is 136 millimeters. So, with a big right angle elbow at construction machines can go through it smoothly. FX95 crimping machine, the crimping is readily movement. Without axial movement, so its crimping stripes are evenly distributed around the fittings. The dies are inserted to the T-slot die basement. The T-slot die basement is very stable without spring support, so it's very stable and long using time. The dies installing system, like inserting by hand, very easy. The machine's crimping cycle is very fast, only 10 seconds. So it can be used at bulk production of crimping hose. Very quick. FX95 can crimping hose at 2 inches ID diameter and 4S at 1 crimping action. Don't need segmentedly crimped part by part.